Welcome friends. I am Hitesh Kumar Agrawal, Assistant Professor at PG College of Pharmaceutical Science and Research, Nandurbar. Today we are going to learn how to create Google Forms. Objectives are: using Google Forms, we can create surveys, quizzes, or event registration sheets. Also, we can create customer feedback surveys. It is the tool used to create admission, job, or response forms. It is also used to ask various types of questions to control data entries. Now we will see the applications of using Google Form. It allows us collecting information from various end users. It is a web-based tool which can be shared with respondents or users by sending a link through email or through social groups. Data gathered using the form is typically stored in a spreadsheet, which we are going to see it in a live demo. The wonderful advantage of this tool is full-featured form tool that comes free with your Google account. To go with the creation of Google Form, we have to log in through our Google account. After logging into your Google account, click on the Google Apps and drag into Google Drive. In Google Drive, you can see on left hand side the new tab where you have to click. You can see the various tools available by Google's. Go to more option, click on Google Forms, where you can see two types of forms, blank form and a template form. Google Forms are provided various templates to collect contact information, respondent forms, party invitation. Instead of going the customized template available by Google tool, we'll choose the blank one. This is the overview of the blank format where you can enter the title of your Google form. I'll put an sample title. Admission open for the academic year 2020-21. You can also give the description of your school or college, or even you can mention the silent features of your school or college over here. Along with the contact information. You can see here the entitled form. As soon as you click over here, the name of the form gets changed and your form is saved in your Google Drive. From this option, you can add image to your Google form. You can either add the logo of your school or college from this. Browse the file where you have stored it. I'll choose one and upload it. Here you can see the image which you have uploaded. You can also give the caption or image title or contact information above it. With this, you can start creating your Google form. On the right hand side to the next side, you can see the add question, where you can add the question. Here, the next slide has been generated where you can type a question. We will type name of the student. There are various options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. If you have various options, you can choose that multiple choice option. If multiple responses are required from the user, you can give this checkbox. You can provide the drop down menu. Also, if you want to upload the admission form of your school or college, you can upload from this. Here are some options: copy, delete, required. If you enable the required tab, it becomes necessary for an respondent to answer that question, without which the form will not get submitted. Click on the next button. Now you can enter the next question, where we can use the drop down menu or multiple choice question. Say for an example, gender. The Google provides us all the tabs. Will add all, will delete the not required tab, and will simple either keep it in multiple choice, or we can convert it into drop down question. We'll convert it into drop down one. Also, we'll make this question as mandatory one. We'll move towards the next question. Your present school or college. Here we will keep the multiple choice question, where will first option will put current school or college, and will add other. After adding this other tab, the user will be able to respond if he is in another or previous school, and will made it mandatory. You can also split the sections, or you can add the sections. After adding the section, you can give here title of the section, parents oblique guardians information. After section 1, the student, you can jump it to the section 2, where you can add the question such as name of the father or guardian. Also, we'll make it mandatory. You can preview your form by clicking on preview button. Your form will look like this, and after filling the preliminary information, After going into next, there we can submit the form. In your Google Drive, then you can see the responses are recorded over here. One response is recorded, and you can also collect that data from spreadsheet. The spreadsheet has been downloaded, and you can collect the data from various user and stored it. This is how we can create the Google form, collect the responses of various user, and collect the data and store it. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Thank you.